Hey guys, this is a lapping session at TMP Cayuga, and I'm getting coached on the track with my friend Nick, who knows the track a little bit more, and he's got a lot more driver mod and seat time, so we're just going to listen to his advice and see where I screw up on the track. So enjoy. Thanks.
Okay. Okay.
Jeez. Go back.
I think they were a little cold there.
Yeah, you're allowed to re-enter, so stay off the driving line for a bit. Okay.
Warm. Oh, that scared the shit out of me. It never spun out.
That's okay.
So is this the late apex here?
Just warm up the car.
Okay.
Don't worry about me. Hit the curbing with your left tire there.
Oh, okay.
Come out, yep. There you go. Turn in a bit later here. Come right out to the cone. Good. The curve, yep, come out. Slow. Turn. You can turn in a bit earlier.
Okay.
Mid-track, yep, turn in. Try not to be braking there.
Okay.
Try to like brake as you're coming into the apex. And a late turn in here again. Yep. Let it come out. Yeah, you can use the whole track here.
Okay.
Nice. Very neat. There you go. That's the line. Nice. That was a good line. Make sure to get on the curve here. Slow down all the way to here and then turn in. You don't need to put gas in between those two corners.
Okay.
There you go. Let it come out here. Yeah. And here, don't come out so far.
Sorry?
Make it a bit tighter.
Fuck no.
Try not to look at the car.
Yeah, I think that's exactly what I did. Is that a better line there?
No, stay tighter.
Stay tighter? Okay.
Yeah.
Jeez. Okay. Ah.
You're gonna have dirty tires, so
yeah, I'm gonna
try not to
chill.
stay on the racing line too much. But yeah, let's pull off.
Yeah, I'm gonna pull off.
went off straight.
Yeah.
You gotta work on your reference point for 2.
Yeah, I don't think I have like a set one in my mind
Yeah.
yet.
You weren't able to get on the curb each time. Just hold your hand out the window. It's tricky to drive, eh?
Yeah.
So what I noticed is a little inconsistent with how you're apexing every corner.
Yeah, I don't have reference point for anything right now.
Yeah, so like you need to figure out like what pylon you're braking beside out there.
Yeah.
And then each time brake there until you realize like, oh, I can brake a little later.
Yeah.
Brake just after the pylon, blah blah blah. Same with turning in.
Yeah.
But you have the basics down pretty good.
Awesome.
Got a nice souvenir. Some mud?
Yeah. Some grass.
Huge shout out and thank you to Nick, Heavy Manufacturing, for helping me out, and congratulations on your podium at CSCS.